White Teeth Global is proud to introduce a Lightener Foam. A Lightener Foam is a 2-in-1 product that cleans and disinfects aligner trays and also whitens the teeth. It has never been easier to offer your patients a full smile makeover and give them not only straighter teeth, but also a whiter smile. We offer a great starter kit for aligner patients to make their treatment easier, more comfortable, and more effective. Our starter kit consists of a lightener spray, a 5 milliliter pocket-sized version for use on the go. Ortho cedars help fit the aligner trays tightly to the teeth, thus increasing effectiveness. The Audi tool helps to quickly and easily remove aligner trays. A whitening pen filled with stronger teeth whitening gel. The distributor price of aligner foam leaves a lot of room for profit to the reseller. Now we have a special introductory offer for new buyers. Buy 25 starter kits to try for the same price as 500 plus units on our price list. We also include a free display stand to help promote sales. What are you waiting for? Click a link in the video description to take advantage of this special offer now. White Teeth Global, whitening smiles worldwide.